So the male client is diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome and is in the intensive care unit on a ventilator. So in this question, we don't have a lot of information about our client. The only thing we know that is a male client. We have a diagnosis which is Guillain-Barré. And the patient is in the intensive care unit on a ventilator. This is important because knowing that the patient is on a ventilator can tell you about the seriousness of this patient's condition. Thank you, Mr. Jorge Martinez, for supporting our channel. I appreciate it. Now, read the next question. It says, which cardiovascular rationale explains implementing passive range of motion exercises? Cardiovascular rationale. So the answer that you're looking for needs to have a relationship with the cardiovascular system. So if you're looking at the answer and it's not related to the cardiovascular system, it's the wrong answer. The mistake that students make in this question here is that they automatically go and think about passive range of motion exercise. And yes, that is an important factor of the question, but the answer that we're looking for, the rationale, has to do with the cardiovascular system. So let's review answer number one. It says, passive range of motion exercises will prevent contractions from developing. And yes, answer number one is a good answer because it is true. Passive range of motion exercise help prevent contractions from developing. However, this is a musculoskeletal complication, not a cardiovascular complication. So we can eliminate answer number one. And once again, I am using the process of elimination. Answer number two, the client will feel better if he is able to exercise and stretch his muscles. Well, let's think about this one here. The patient is on a ventilator. What this means is that, in Guillain-Barré, we have ascending paralysis. So if a patient is on a ventilator, the ascending paralysis reach the respiratory muscles. So we're looking at a serious condition, so this patient will not be able to exercise and stretch his muscles. That will be active range of motion. And we're talking about passive range of motion. So answer number two, we can eliminate. Answer number three, range of motion exercise will help alleviate the pain associated with Guillain-Barré. Well, answer number three, we can eliminate for two reasons. One, it would not alleviate the pain, and two, it has nothing to do with the cardiovascular system. So answer number three is eliminated. Answer number four, passive range of motion help to prevent DVTs, deep vein thrombosis, by movement of the blood through the veins. So, are we talking about the cardiovascular system? Is number four a cardiovascular rationale of why we will be implementing passive range of motion? The answer is yes. So answer number four is the correct answer.